Nike Store is a sports shoe and apparel store based in Malaysia. The store was on the third floor of the famous Midway Mega Mall in Kuala Lumpur, and this place often attracts many people, especially the youngsters, to visit Nike stores. Now, ever wonder why Nike's business can be so successful, especially in this realm? Nike Store has set its own objectives, and one of them is to protect and improve Nike's position as the number one athletic brand in Malaysia. Meaning to say, the main focus of Nike in Malaysia is to promote and sell their products. Moreover, Nike also develops products in order to satisfy customers' needs and wants along with building a strong momentum in the growing fitness market. Whereby the goal of the Nike store is to believe in the partnerships formed where Nike will always try their best to collaborate with big brands such as Apple, Supreme, or even public figures like Michael Jordan, Kanye West, Drake, just to name a few. Now, we see why Nike is loved by many people because the brand will always come up with a fresh and cool designs for their product. Therefore, Nike is able to grow in the marketplace, and this would be an opportunity to open more Nike stores all over the places in Malaysia.
Despite being on top of the list in the shoe and apparel marketplace, there are several external environments such as domestic business, global business, technological, economic, socio-cultural, and also political environments that might affect Nike company. In this video, we will help our viewers to see and understand deeply about the Nike company in Malaysia. First of all, let's not forget that many big brands out there that are competing with Nike in Malaysia, such as Adidas, Puma, Under Armour, Fila, and etc. Many of these brands offered cool designs to their customers. Therefore, Nike had to find ways to tackle the competition by adding value to their product to be more convenient, comfortable, and durable to the customers. The biggest competitor of Nike will always be Adidas, since it is positioned as the second place in the global market. Recently, Adidas announced an investment plan of more than €1 billion through the year of 2025 on a digital transformation of the company. This would challenge Nike to invest heavily in their end-to-end digital capabilities. Since Malaysia is an Islamic country, the women athletes have to cover up their aurat. Therefore, in order to cater to a bigger scale of target customers, Nike had introduced their new hijabi swimwear and also featured a Malaysian model in their advertisement. By doing this, Nike not only has attracted more Muslim customers in the country, but they are also empowering many female athletes to be confident about themselves in the world of sports.
The government of Malaysia have announced that movement control order ever since the COVID-19 pandemic hit our country last year. With the strict SOP and the new law being enforced, many businesses, including Nike Store, have closed down. When no company is allowed to operate physically, it is undeniable that this would contribute to the fallout of the nation's economy. As a result, the citizen has less money, which equals less buying power. With that, Nike had witnessed a drastic drop to their sales last year. But the good thing is Nike still can operate their business through online platform. As technology facilities are growing rapidly, Nike has also used this opportunity to upgrade their business strategy by developing their online facility such as the Nike apps, Nike.com website, Nike Running Club, and the Nike Training Club apps for the customer and the athlete around the world with the tools to help through their physical and mental health. Besides, coupons are also an effective business strategy by Nike as they provided discount to the online customer. This online service ensures that people can still purchase their Nike gears more easily. By having such solution, Nike seems to know what is the best to overcome the infliction of COVID-19 pandemic toward its company. Well, that's all for today. We hope that you enjoy our video. Stay safe and peace!